Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, guys, I'm participating in a Tablescape collaboration, and it is the 100% Thrifted Tablescape Challenge. Now, the host for this challenge is the lovely Thrift Queen. I have left a link in my description box to her channel. I don't know if you know Joan, also known as the Thrift Queen, or if you subscribe to her channel, but if you don't, please go down, find the link in the description box, go over and pay Joan a visit today. She has a fantastic channel. All I can tell you is there's definitely a reason that they call her the Thrift Queen. So Joan gave us some instructions for this challenge. What she said is use what you have and thrift the rest. So that's exactly what I did. Now, before you look at my tablescape, I'll tell you what was thrifted and what I already had. So my thrifted items are my place settings, including the cups, the saucers, the plates, and the chargers. Also, the glassware is thrifted, and you'll notice the glassware may not quite match, but hey, that's what thrifting is all about, right? Also, the centerpiece is made up of a DIY floral that I already had, that I did months ago, candles that I already had, and a candelabra that I thrifted. I don't even remember how many years ago. In fact, I have 3 of them, and recently I gave them a new coat of spray paint just to kind of touch them up a little bit. So anyway, that describes my items, and I'm going to stop talking now and let you see my version of my 100% thrifted tablescape. I'll also come back at the end just to say a couple words. All right, guys, I just wanted to come back and say a couple quick words. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do invite you to like, comment, share. I welcome all of your comments. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, I hope you'll consider doing that today, and make sure that you tap that notification bell a couple of times. Also, please go down again and visit the playlist so that you can see all of the other participants who have, or rather creators who have participated in this collaboration. And please go down and visit, click the link and go visit Joan of Thrift Queen. I tell you what, you will not regret it. She is a fantastic channel. And I also want to thank Joan for coming up with this idea for a great tablescape collaboration. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys. And you know what? I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.